How to write clear acceptance criteria for Agile user stories. Imagine trying to build a puzzle without knowing what the picture looks like. That's what working without clear acceptance criteria can feel like. Today, we're going to explore how to make those puzzle pieces fit perfectly. When creating acceptance criteria, start by understanding what the user story aims to achieve. Think about the goal from the user's point of view. What should happen when they use the feature? Keep your language simple and straightforward so everyone involved can understand. Avoid technical jargon that might confuse team members or stakeholders. A popular way to write acceptance criteria is the given, when, then format. It helps you describe the scenario clearly. For example, given a user is logged in, when they click the submit button, then the system saves their data and shows a confirmation message. This structure makes it easy to test if the criteria are met. Clarity is key. Use short sentences that leave no room for confusion. Each criterion should be specific enough to test. For example, instead of saying, "the page loads quickly," say, "the page loads within 2 seconds on a standard broadband connection." This makes it measurable. Make sure your acceptance criteria are achievable within the sprint. Don't set conditions that are too broad or impossible to verify. For example, instead of "the system is fast," specify, "the response time is under 2 seconds for all users." This way, testers know exactly what to check. Each criterion should be independent. That means testing one should not depend on another. This simplifies validation and makes it easier to identify issues. Also, avoid including how the system should do something. Focus on what it should do, not how it should do it. This allows developers flexibility in their approach. Involving everyone is important. Product owners, developers, testers, and stakeholders should review and agree on acceptance criteria. This shared understanding helps prevent misunderstandings later. As the project progresses, revisit and update the criteria if needed. New insights or changing requirements might require adjustments. For project managers, it's helpful to include acceptance criteria early during backlog refinement. They serve as a foundation for creating test cases and user acceptance testing. Tracking how often stories meet their acceptance criteria on the first review can help improve the process. Encourage your team to experiment with different templates or formats for acceptance criteria. Discuss what works best during retrospectives. This continuous improvement keeps your process sharp and your stories clear. By following these steps, you can write acceptance criteria that are clear, testable, and easy to understand. This reduces confusion, speeds up development, and makes sure everyone is working toward the same goal. Clear acceptance criteria are the backbone of successful Agile projects.